10,000 divided by 100. Look, here denominator is 100. Always look at the denominator. Look, 10, 100,000, these are called power of 10, right? So if you have any denominator that is power of 10, then what will you do? Just count the number of zeros. Here number of zeros is 2. Now you need to move decimal point right to left 2 digit, that is equal to number of zeros. So 2 zeros, so you need to move decimal point right to left 2 places or 2 digit. Since this is a whole number, so decimal point will appear here. So 1 digit, 2 digit. So we are getting 100 decimal 00. This means 100. This these 2 zero don't have any value, so 100 is your answer.